this has been an excellent addition to just add a little moisture to a dry room. And then more importantly, you can just put whatever essential oil in that you want. And the diffusing aspect of that is just really working really well. This is obviously a wood grain version of this. I think it just really helps to highlight the light in just a cool and funky way with it. You see the light coming out of the top and you see the light going around the ring here. We just change a few of the light modes. This is light blue, moving to like a lavender, then to a bluish green, and then more of a purple. So you have choices as to what lights you want to go with. And then the red that you see there is an indicator that it's either on steadily or it's on with intermittent. And a lot of times overnight, I'll put it next to my bed, put it on intermittent, and it runs, I think, probably close to about 7 hours once I fill up the water in this. So this is a nice change from just the white glowing ones. I like the dark kind of moody wood grain that it has on here. It's light enough that you can take it with you and take it to a hotel room. You can take it and move it around different rooms of your house, especially if you want to just enjoy that essential oil diffusing in it. So I'm really enjoying this so far. It has a lot of cool features to it, and I would recommend.